Does LG TV have AirPlay? Yes, many LG smart TVs come with built-in AirPlay support, allowing users to wirelessly stream content from Apple devices like iPhones, iPads, and MacBooks. AirPlay lets users mirror their screens, play videos, and share music without needing additional hardware. However, AirPlay availability depends on the LG TV model and software version, so users should check if their specific TV supports this feature. 1. AirPlay is available on select LG TV models. LG smart TVs from 2018 and later often include AirPlay 2 support. This feature allows users to stream content directly from Apple devices. To check compatibility, users can look for AirPlay in their TV settings or visit LG's official website for a list of supported models. Second, screen mirroring works seamlessly. With AirPlay, users can mirror their iPhone, iPad, or Mac screen onto the LG TV. This is useful for presentations, browsing, or watching videos from apps that may not be available on the TV itself. Simply selecting screen mirroring from the control center on an Apple device enables this feature. 3. Streaming videos and music is easy. AirPlay allows users to stream videos, movies, and music from apps like YouTube, Apple TV, and Spotify. By selecting the AirPlay icon on an Apple device and choosing the LG TV, users can enjoy high-quality content on a bigger screen without the need for cables. 4. AirPlay setup requires Wi-Fi. For AirPlay to work, both the LG TV and Apple device must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Users should ensure that AirPlay is enabled in the TV settings by navigating to Home, then go to Settings, then AirPlay and HomeKit, and turning it on. 5th, alternative methods for older LG TVs. If an LG TV does not support AirPlay, users can use third-party streaming devices like Apple TV, Chromecast, or Fire Stick to enable similar screen sharing features. Some apps also offer direct casting options that work without AirPlay. LG smart TVs with AirPlay support make it easy to share and stream content from Apple devices. Users should check their TV model and ensure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network for a seamless experience.